Hello everyone, trust you're all doing great and keeping safe at the same time. My name is Meshack Juma, you can call me MJ. Guess what? Today I'm at the LG store at Hard Life Plaza, and guess what? I'm here to tell you guys about the instaveiw door-in door. And guess what? Knock twice, get to see what's inside. The beauty of this refrigerator, guys, it's energy saving and it's very spacious. So if you're looking for a fridge, I would advise the instaveiw door-in door is the fridge for you guys to get. So if you're at home looking for a fridge, the LG store is a place for you to be. So you need to rush here and get yourself one of these. And remember, LG, life's good. See you guys.